Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today is time for an unboxing. I've just literally got half an hour ago got this delivered, and it's the March Kitaholic kit. Oh dear, words don't get any easier, do they? Alright, so I get the general kit and the mixed media kit. So I'll go through the mixed media first. It is a stamp and die set this month. And let me see if I can get into it. From American Crafts, the Valint sketchbook. I've never heard of that range before. That's new to me. So we have, whoops, this stamp set. So we've got a gorgeous butterfly, some florals, leaves. I guess it's a flower, or could also be used as like a firework. Hello, a tag with stripes on it, a lovely frame, admit one, single day, a number, that's for that tag, a swan, and a love heart. Really cool. There's no outline on the swan. There is just the facial features and the feathers, because I'm assuming you then use, the dies to cut the swan out, and that gives you the shape so that you know that where's my swan gone? There. So that you know it's a swan. So that's pretty cool. That could be a postage stamp die. That is a postage stamp die, actually, is what I'm trying to say. That cuts out the butterfly, and that cuts out the frame on the stamp. That is for the flower, and then some leaves, the love heart, and the ticket down the bottom. So that's cool. That's a nice little addition. I'm trying to build up my stamps. I'm going to be selling most, if not all, of my Stampin' Up stamps that I have. So if you're in Australia, you'll probably find them on various craft groups. I'm trying to find somewhere that I can sell current Stampin' Up products as well as retired. Yeah, so look out for them. Right, so now this is what's in the main kit. We've got these beautiful 49, no, I was going to say 49 at Market, but they're not. They're Maggie Holmes Market Square enamel dots. We've got circles, stars, like suns, like a star, hearts. They're really cool. Nice. Then we have Chamel Reasons to Smile ephemera. Lots of different ones there. I'm not going to pull them all apart. This is just a really quick unboxing video, because I've got a lot of videos I need to get done and scheduled today and tomorrow, because we are expecting a cyclone to come through, basically direct hit our area on Thursday evening, Friday morning. Today is Tuesday lunchtime, so I'm trying to get everything done for like a week or so. So I've got things scheduled, because if we lose power I can't do anything. So yeah, I'm gonna do this quick. But if you want to see the kit, head over to Kitaholic Kits. I'll have a link to both their YouTube and their Facebook page. No, their website, actually all three if they have them, can't remember now. So you can see they've done videos on what's in the kit, stuff like that. So jump over there, you can see what's in it and purchase it if you're interested. So anyway, these are the Chamel ephemera. Lots of tags, really lots of tags, some frames, some hearts, some different shapes, florals. Yeah, great selection in that one. And then we've got Obed Marshall Fantastico stickers. These are puffy stickers, and look at that. I love it when there's something you can do with the packaging. Like, don't just throw this out. You can use this on a page. Like, how cool is that? And I don't worry if things are, this is from American Crafts, I don't worry if things are acid lignin free. That was like years and years ago. Like, if my scrapbooks last that long for things to start being affected by that, then I've done well. Like, you know, once I go, who's to say what's going to happen with them? Probably end up at the local tip. Anyway, so lots of these puppy stickers. We've got cameras and sunglasses and flowers and stars and love hearts and little words. Cool. Very nice. Then we have Wait, I'm looking for a brand. Alright, Pink Fresh Lovely Blooms collection of stickers. Lovely, really nice. Oh, I like these. Beautiful florals. I noticed the postage stamp things coming back. Seen that a lot lately. Hang on, I need a drink, talking too much. Really cool little pieces for tucking and stuff like that. So yep, like them too. And then these are American Crafts as well. And these are chipboard stickers called Beautiful Things. These are really pretty. And some of them have foiling on them. So I don't know if you can see, but around there. Is that foiling or is it? Yeah, I think that's a little bit of foiling around there, which is cool. Yeah, that has like foiling as well. Nice. I love the stacked teacups. That is pretty. I've got a cross stitch just like that actually. And more over here, some buttons, lots of words, which are excellent. Love having little words to add to layouts. And a couple of big borders, which is good. Frames, there's another postage stamp. Very nice. And then a full project pad of 24 sheets of paper. This is Sketchbook via the Lint. I'm going to have to look that up. I have never heard of that name, so I want to see what else they have. Right, I'm going to do it sideways. Sorry, because otherwise you have to look at it upside down. Because this is going to get in the way. Can I do it this way? Maybe we can do it this way. What's that look like? Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, so lots of icon stickers. Oh, gold border. I like that. Floral border. Very nice. You got a bunny rabbit and a bird on a branch and some more birds and another bunny rabbit. Flowers, watering can, tickets, cherries, flowers, lots of cool stuff, postage stamps, lots of words. Oh, and then we have a page of gold alphas. Very, very cool. Like that. Oh, look at that. That is stunning. Pink background, dusty pink background with the gold foiled florals. Oh, so pretty. Frames. Oh, this is stunning. And they have the gold on them as well. Oh, love this. Mint green with white and darker green circles with the gold foiled circles. Very nice. Gold bows. Oh, so pretty. Oh, cute bunny rabbits. Lots of flowers as well, butterflies, so cute. Pastel love hearts, very nice. They've got like a check pattern in them. Some are striped, some are like diagonal. Very pretty, nice pastel colours. This is giving me like Easter type vibes. A beautiful frame. That's nice with a vine around it and the leaves. A nice floral. Apricot colour with tiny little, I don't know what you call them. They're not a fleur-de-lis, but they're like a tiny little pattern thing like that. A beautiful ombre stripe. Apricots, yellows, mints and blues. Topiary, is that what they're called? Topiary trees. Oh, what's it called? It's gone. Not grid, there's a name for it. Totally gone from my mind what this is called. You're all screaming at me, I know. Oh, it'll come back, but you know, the grids and the pages and the, yeah, you know, one of them. Another beautiful floral. And gorgeous swans. Wonder if that die fits them. If you didn't want a stamp, I bet you it would. I'm meaning late, oh, I don't know. Oh, don't be so lazy, Narelle. Open it up, let's see. Wait. We lost it. Wait. Oh, yes. Oh, it's a little bit... Oh, no. The die is a bit bigger than the swan, so it won't cut them out. Never mind. They're not... Wouldn't be too hard to fussy cut anyway. Or just use the page as it is. Paper as it is, I mean. Beautiful. Solid, dusty pink. And a mauve. Oh wow, this has got solids in the back. Mint green and a darker mint green. Oh, that's cool. Don't have to worry about matching cardstock. yellow, apricot, another brighter pink, and like a bluey cornflower bluey colour. Very nice. So that is the Kitaholic kits for March. They may still have some available. Check out their website and join the club. I think it's a great value club. You get so much. Like, that's amazing. I love it. I just need to use it quicker now. Oh my goodness. I have a whole table of boxes piled up between this kit and the uniquely creative kit I get every month. They are piling up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 8 to go on the table. Uniquely Creative has been posted for this month, so that'll be number 9. I need to scrap more. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this, give me the thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.